Jesse, thank you. A man was sentenced to 60 years for a deadly road rage shooting from 2022. A judge sentenced Dion Kimbrough for the death of Eli Hickerson in August. A jury convicted him of murder and unlawful possession of a firearm by a serious violent felon. Police say Kimbrough was driving a box truck on I-70 near Post Road and almost hit another car. Witnesses say Hickerson was in the passenger seat of that car and made a gesture out the window towards Kimbrough's truck. Kimbrough shot into the car and killed him. Prosecutor Ryan Mears says this sentence is meant to hold drivers accountable for road rage.
A man who shot and killed a passenger in another car in a road rage incident will spend the next 60 years in prison. 31-year-old Eli Hickerson was murdered as he was heading home from work in 2022. WRTV's Lauren Schwenker was in the courtroom when the judge sentenced Dion Kimbrough for the crime.
It was a very emotional day in the courtroom as we heard from multiple family members of victim Eli Hickerson. After the sentencing, we touched base with the family that says no amount of justice will bring their son back.
You have a child and you can protect him for so long, and then the world takes over. We just don't have our Eli anymore.
The 60 years that he did get is never going to be enough, and we're never going to be the same again.
A road rage incident took 31-year-old Eli Hickerson from his family and the world. Friday morning, a judge sentenced Dion Kimbrough to 60 years for Hickerson's murder. Many testified on what Eli Hickerson's loss has done to them.
In the grand scope, in the smallest little microcosm, what was you going to get out of it? You're a coward.
After a 3-day jury trial in August, Kimbrough was convicted of murder and unlawful possession of a firearm by a serious violent felon.
And that coward shot my boy in the back and then claimed self-defense.
Kimbrough's family also took the stand, stating he was not a monster and had a son who misses him back at home.
And we'll just continue to be the family we are to honor my son's memory.
And we will always continue to do that.
Kimbrough is appealing his conviction. The court has issued a no-contact order. Reporting in Indianapolis, I'm Lauren Schwenker, WRTV.